Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on Pepperstone. And you have few options that you can do in the beginning, because you can create your account and verify your account, or you go to the website and try the demo version. Right now we just created an account and also verify this account. If you don't have any idea how to do that, check the previous videos that I created. But right now we have an account that is verified. And now I will show you exactly what you need to do to trade on Pepperstone. So right now the first thing that you need to do is create your own trading account. And that can be a live account or a demo account, what you like. But if you want to do it live, you need to put money on your account by clicking on deposit and follow these steps. And if you want to do a demo, I will show you then what you can do is right now click on add a trading account, select right here Pepperstone or new trading platform, select right there a standard account type, then we fill in right here Tommy 4, select the balance that you want to trade with, 50k is fine, and then select the currency US dollar. So now we click here on Submit, and now we just created a demo account, exactly what he's telling us right there. And if you want to trade right now, we need to do to just click right here on this P launch. So we click on that, and then he will send us to the trading page right here. If you are using a live account, you can do exactly the same. Just click right there, and then he will send you to the trading page, web trader, where you can trade with your own money. But right now we are here on the demo web trader, and you will find a lot of information right now here on this place. So right now we want to create position on a nice ETF. So what we're gonna do right here is we search for, let's say, iShares, and click on that. And then it's standing right there. And now we want to buy or sell something. What you need to do is quite simple. We click here on buy if you want to buy something, and you can click right here on sell if you want to sell something. Let's buy, so we take a long position. And then right now what we can do is select here the order that you want to use. So let's do market order. We can select right here the lots that we want to buy. So let's buy one lot, that's fine. And then from now, it's very smart to do this, is clicking on protection orders. So we can create a stop loss or take profit. And a stop loss, that means that when he will get under 140, oh, sorry, let's do it on the good way. When he will hit 140, that he will close or trade, so he will stop our losses. Now we can also do this for take profit. So let's say when he will hit 165, he will take or profit, and he will close the trade. Now we can send this order, so we do send order, and then right now we just opened our position, but hey, the market right now is closed, so it's not possible to do this, but this is the way how you can buy. If you want to sell, just click here on sell and do exactly the same. And this is the way how you can trade on this platform. Right now we are using the demo account, so only the ETFs are standing right here. Let's search for crypto. Oh, now you also find a lot of crypto right there, but you can change the list from here to what you like. We did it for just iShares, but yeah, you can select right here what you want to trade. So if you click right here, you can decide what you want to trade. So this is how you can trade on Pepperstone. If you have any questions, please comment them below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.